Hello. Today I have a little project to share with you, and it is going to be in my shop. So it's a little box and a little journal. The journal is only a paper bag journal, so it's kind of like a little junk notebook really. It's tied together here. On the front there is a little paper clip where you can put a little title if you wish, and there's a little dangle. There's a little journaling card, fairly thin, that I have made, and also a vintage envelope which is absolutely beautiful. And that is just attached, like that, to the front of the journal. I'll show you the cover opened out. So it's just tied together. It's a paper bag with embossed collaging over the top and just a little decoration there. This is just popped through that central tie. So like I said, it's a paper bag. It's not too thin, but it is only paper. It's obviously got a lot of collaging on it, but this is the paper bag which is on the inside. I'll speed this up, but there is a mix of printed pages, so not everything in here is original. There are a few original things in here, but just a variation of papers really. So I'll just flick through this for you. And then in the back it's not a full printed kit, but there are a few little pieces from the scrappy French ephemera kit. They are printed onto photo quality paper, so it's quite thin. There's a little piece of the scrap paper bag that's embossed as well in there. I think there might be at the back here, yeah, this little piece here is from a different kit, but the colours worked, so I've popped that into this little envelope as well. So these bits could all be used to make more things, or they could be glued into the journal. So that's the little notebook. And then there is also this little box. I haven't done much to it. I've just decorated the top. There's nothing else done to that. But it's quite a sturdy box. So I'll just go through what is in here. There's lots and lots of little things in here. So we've got this little dangle that's made with some book pages and some stamping. We have another little fabric scrap there, little cluster. We've got the little envelope that I made in a recent video. There's a little journaling card with some embossed paper on the back, and the faux vintage document. So again, these could be used in this little journal or this little notebook, or they could be used in something else. There's this one that I made with some vintage papers, and that's another little double-sided pouch. We have this one, which is another little double-sided pouch that we made in the video, embossed paper on the back, and a faux vintage document. So we've got a little journaling card, which is a luggage tag, again in lots of blues. Another little journaling card. We've got a little envelope, which is from my kit, and we've got on here, there's a little piece of ephemera tucked on, and inside a little journaling card with a photograph, a ticket, a little tag. Then we have another journaling card with another little piece of ephemera tucked onto the paper clip. We have this one with a little fabric cluster on a garment pin, and that's the back. We have another piece of vintage ephemera. Actually, this is a mixture. So this one is a print, and this is a piece of vintage ephemera that I've actually added a stamp to. There is another piece of this in a minute, which you'll see. And then we have some other little vintage goodies here. So we've got this little vintage envelope, and in here we have one of those. This is an original one of those, as you can see. There's a little tiny diary page. There's a piece of another little piece of vintage book page there. We have some little vintage pieces of ephemera. There is an original cabinet card, a little sticker, one of my little slides, and then there is also another one which is a transparency, and two little dangles that I've made. So they are in this envelope. We've got a vintage airmail envelope, and in here we have a little envelope, a little piece of original bank ephemera, a little photograph, love to live there, an original little transparency slide, and a little playing card, a game piece there. The mark on here is from 1969, and inside I've popped in some little vintage stamps. We have a vintage postcard. This came out of a postcard book, and the little sleeve that covered the postcard, I've just used some Tim Holtz washi to hold that in place, because the paper is really cute. So that's a little carte postale there. This, I think at some point must have been in an album. It's a vintage birthday card. However, the back has been cut out, so it looks like it was originally stuck into an album. But the card was so pretty and it had lots of that blue in, so I wanted to include that. So we have a vintage flash card here. I'm just going to leave that to cover up this envelope, because this envelope has an address on it. We don't want to show that in the video. So in here we have a piece of what I think is straw paper. We have a little piece of vintage ephemera. This is a piece of ephemera that I have made, so it's from a scan. It's not an original, but it looks really cool. Another piece of ephemera. We have a vintage diary page here. Another one of those little kind of flash cards. We have a piece of little piece of ledger and this cute little book page with. This is a little corner pocket that I've made out of an envelope. There's an original ticket on the front, and then inside there is a piece of vintage ledger paper. So that just pops into that envelope. Glued this onto the bottom of the box. So that is the little goodies that come with the little notebook. Like I said, I wouldn't call it a journal because it's too small. It's a little notebook. I did have a lot of fun making it though. So this is going to be in my shop. It's going to be available to the UK to start with. If it doesn't, I might actually pop it in. If it doesn't sell, I might pop it in to my Etsy shop. But the link to my shop and the item will be down below. I hope you liked it. It was really nice to actually just show a project. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you really soon. Bye.